About 4.2 million people are able to earn by writing online, which is why in this video I'm going to be breaking down some of the best platforms that you can use to start earning by writing online. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner just starting out or what part of the world you're from. These platforms require zero experience. So make sure you guys stick around to the end because it's only going to get crazier. Let's dive straight into it. Let's start off with Fiverr. Fiverr is a freelance marketplace where you can offer writing services like blog posts, product descriptions, ebooks, or even YouTube scripts. You can set your pricing based on your experience, and the more good reviews you get, the better people hire you. So if we come over here, we can see that most popular in writing and translation, we have articles and blog posts, we have translations, we have proofreading and editing, we have resume writing, scripts writing, and so on, guys. You can also earn on Fiverr by other methods. We have graphic and design, we have programming and tech, digital marketing, video and animation, and so on, guys. You can basically come into any of these fields and start earning online right now. Some useful tips while getting started is starting off at low pricing, delivering more than you offered, asking for reviews professionally. You should also avoid mistakes like poor grammar, using AI tools without editing, and not replying to messages quickly. Next up is Upwork. Upwork is great for long-term writing clients. You can apply for job proposals posted by clients and get paid per project or per hour. From blog writing to ghostwriting, there's always something for every need. To get started, you can start off with a strong profile and give 5 to 10 proposals to get noticed. If you come down here, you can see the different fields. We have development and IT, design and creative, admin and support, financial and accounting, and so much more, writing and translation. We also have how it works both for hiring and for finding work. For hiring, we have post job is always free, get proposals and hire, pay when work is done. And over here for finding work, we have find clients and remote jobs, submit proposals and get paid as you deliver your work. So it's super beginner friendly and you guys can start it out right now. Some requirements is an Upwork profile, proposal writing skills, and work sample or portfolio. And some useful tips for getting started is to niche down. Example, if you're an AI blog writer or an SEO content writer, so you niche down. You should also try and use video intros if possible and track winning proposals. Now, if you enjoy storytelling and information writing, then the Medium Partner Program is the best for you. You write articles and Medium pays you based on how long people read them. You can write based on any topic you want, and all you need is a free account and a Stripe account to get paid. As you can see here, Medium Partner Program is for people who are interested in helping us fulfill our mission of deepening the collective wisdom of the world through personal expressions, knowledge sharing, and storytelling. It's based on quality over clickbait, and if you come down here, you can see some of its eligibility criteria. You have to be a member, you have to publish in the last 6 months, and you have to be from an eligible country. So you guys should apply and try it out and start earning in 2025. Some important requirements is a Medium account, a Stripe account for payouts and original content. You should also cross-promote on Quora and Reddit, create a series-based content, and use Substack to collect emails as a backup. Similar to Medium is Vocal Media. It pays you per view and even offers you bonuses for entering writing challenges. It's great for poetry, short stories, or even personal experiences. Even if you're just starting out, you can still earn small amounts while building your portfolio. So I can just take you guys through. As you guys can see, he has been working with influencing marketing from the last 6 years and working in social media services from the last 4 years. And over here, currently we are providing 50 plus social media services across India, UAE, Thailand, and Indonesia. And has also worked with 1,500 influencers on Instagram, same on Facebook, 400 plus on YouTube, 1,000 on Twitter, and 50 plus celebrity influencers. So you guys can check this out now and start earning right now. Important requirement is a free vocal account, a Stripe account for payouts, and niche-based writing. You should also focus on high traffic topics, join their Facebook or Discord communities for feedback, and link other platforms like Gumroad or Ko-fi for more tips. Next up, we have Amazon KDP or Kindle Direct Publishing. With Amazon KDP, you can write short books, guides, or even stories, upload it, and earn every time somebody buys. It can basically serve as a long-term passive income strategy. Now, if you want higher paying writing gigs, check out the Pro Blogger job board. It lists jobs from companies that are actively looking for blog writers and content creators. It is best once you've got a few samples ready, and most jobs pay $30 to $100 per article. So whether you're a student, freelancer, or someone else looking for side income, there's a platform here for you. You don't need perfect grammar or a fancy degree to get started. Just start writing and the results will come out. Make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and like the video if you haven't yet. And as always, I'm wishing you guys all the best. Have a wonderful day.